Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to view multiple chart on Webull. So to get started with the guide, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the guide, so if you want to view multiple chart on Webull, here's how you can do that. If you're on the desktop app, so open the Webull desktop app and log into your account. Then from there, click on the stock tab to open a chart. Then click the grid icon, which is at the top right of the chart window. Then select a layout. You can set up your layout to be 2, 4, 6, or 9 chart. Then each chart windows will now be visible. Then click on each chart to enable a different stock symbols, apply different indicator or time frame. Then you can also click the link icon to sync all chart on the same symbol, which is very optional. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.